Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to hide or show buttons that appear on the taskbar in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the taskbar, and from the right-click menu, you can check or uncheck the options for the Cortana button, Task View button, People button, and other buttons to show or hide them based on your preference. There's also an option to adjust the search button to show the search box, the search icon, or hide the search button. Additionally, you can configure the news and interest button to show the icon and text, the icon only, or turn off the news and interest button. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.